Whether you're new to Borealis or an experienced user, we think that these time-saving tips can help you work even more efficiently. If you're tired of constantly reaching for your mouse, here are some keyboard shortcuts to help you navigate. When you're working in a record, you can easily move from one field to another. Press Tab to move to the next field, and Shift-Tab to go back. You can also press Ctrl-Enter to save, instead of manually clicking on the Save button. When browsing through pages in the registry, you can jump to the bottom of the page by pressing the End key. Pressing Home will take you back to the top. To navigate from side to side, hold Shift and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to move from left to right. While you're at it, you can change the size of your columns. You can view more keyboard shortcuts here. You probably know that you can switch between summary and detailed view, and then filter your results to get only certain data. But did you know that you can pin these results to your favorites for quick access? Sometimes you need to locate a certain document, but you don't remember which record it might be in. Use the File Name command to search Borealis for keywords that might be included in the file name. You can use File Name to find certain types of files, or File Content to search for a word within the files. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.